What you need to say of baby carrots in your fridge is hiding a secret. You probably think they're pulled from the ground as perfectly small, rounded snacks, but that's not the whole story. The truth is, almost all of the baby carrots we eat are actually baby cut carrots. So what does that mean? Well, there are two kinds. True baby carrots do exist. They're just regular carrots harvested before they get big. But the ones in the plastic bag? Those are something else entirely. They are fully grown, mature carrots that have been put through a clever transformation. This whole thing started back in 1986 with a California farmer named Mike Yurosek. He was frustrated because a huge portion of his harvest, sometimes up to 70%, was thrown away just for being too big, broken, or misshapen. They were perfectly good carrots, just ugly. So, Yurosek had a brilliant idea. He took those undesirable carrots and using an industrial green bean cutter and a potato peeler, he reshaped them. He cut them into 2-inch pieces, peeled them, and tumbled them until they were smooth and uniform. An instant hit. The process today is pretty much the same. Large carrots are cut, peeled, and polished into that familiar shape. And that white film they sometimes get? It's not chlorine, it's called carrot blush, and it's just a sign of dehydration because the protective skin is gone. Soaking them in water makes it disappear. So, the next time you grab a handful of baby carrots, remember, you're not just eating a convenient snack, you're eating a piece of agricultural ingenuity, a brilliant solution that turned food waste into one of the most popular vegetables in the store.